So second week of the demo, and we've now got, so everything's cleaned up. We've got baffles now. These are the Rafter baffles going all the way from our soffits up into the attic space. Tried my best to shove them up into the attic space past the blown-in cellulose insulation. It was kind of tricky. The two different types of baffles don't mate perfectly, the pink ones and the yellow ones, but I'm using the pink ones at the top because they seemed a little bit stronger, and the reviews, everyone kind of complained about how brittle the yellow ones were. Now that I've handled both of them, I don't know if that's totally true, but I didn't want to have to try and clean out broken yellow ones and have more junk in my way than just the cellulose. So it looks exactly the same on the other side, so I'm only showing this one. And next step is to insulate, to put the 2x4 24-inch on center rock wool insulation here in between the rafters, and then seal it up with this special internal vapor barrier that I've got for old homes.